Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie with the Appomattox Regional Library System. And this week I'm going to show you how to make puff paint from ingredients you probably have at home. Salt, water, flour, and either food coloring, tempera paint, or liquid watercolors. Let's get started. First I'm going to show you how to make it with food coloring. So to make puff paint with food coloring you need equal parts water, salt, flour. Mix the flour and salt together first and then add your water. And once your mixture is lump-free, go ahead and add a few drops of food coloring. Next, you want to pour it into either a squeeze bottle, a piping bag, or a plastic bag that you can later cut a hole in. Now, to do it with tempera paint, you do the same process. Salt, flour, water, and then a squeeze of tempera paint, another squeeze of tempera paint until you get the color that you're happy with, up to a tablespoon. And then you want to put that in your squeeze bottle or your bags. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to make it with liquid watercolors. Liquid watercolors, the same process, equal parts flour and salt and water. And then you want to add in your liquid watercolors. For lighter colors, you may need more. For darker colors, you may need less. And then put that into your bottles or your bags. Once you've done that, it's time to start using it. Now, parents, when you're setting up to use it, you want to do it in a space you don't mind getting messy, and you want your kids to be wearing clothes they don't mind getting messy. I do recommend having a good amount of bottles and colors to go around for the children. I ended up doing 2 bottles of each color, but that's only because the store only had small squeeze bottles, and I figured it'd be best to have more paint rather than not enough. Now, you do want to take lots of pictures during this process because while this is meant to dry and be hung up later, if they use too much paint, it might turn into a process art project, which means the whole point is the process of making it, not the item itself. And so you'll want to have lots of pictures of their finished product because it may not dry if they completely flood the picture with paint. All right, and I do want to go back to the process of making it. It may be tempting to make a large batch, fill your bottles, and then shake in the color you want. Don't do this. I tried it and it was not successful at all because the mixture is so thick. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this craft and I hope you have a great weekend.